If your Google TV volume isn't working properly, maybe it's too low, not changing, or completely stuck, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix volume issues on your Google TV step by step. So let's get started. Before doing anything, make sure your TV isn't muted. Press the volume up button on your remote to confirm sound is increasing. If that doesn't work, then try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Enable developer options and adjust audio rendering. First turn on your TV, then use the remote to navigate to the settings gear icon. Now go to Device Preferences or System depending on your OS version. Go to About, then scroll down to the Android TV OS version. Use your TV remote to tap on it 7 times. This will enable the developer options. Confirm your choice if you get prompted or anything. After that, go back to Device Preference. Scroll down and find Developer Options. From here, scroll down again and look for options like Disable Audio Offload or Disable HW Overlays. Turn them on, then restart your TV. These options force your TV to process sound directly, which can fix random volume bugs, lag, or dropouts. Solution 2. Factory Reset. If nothing else works, you can reset your Google TV back to factory settings. To do this, go back to Settings, scroll down to Device Preferences and open it. Now select and open About. Now go to Factory Reset from here. Now you will need to select Factory Reset from here again and confirm your choice. After that, you can wait for the process to finish. But let me warn you that a factory reset will erase all your apps, accounts, and settings, bringing your Google TV back to how it was on day 1. You'll need to set it up from scratch. So I highly recommend using this only if all other options fail. But it's also important to know that factory resets usually fix almost any problem out there as long as it's not hardware related. So you can try it if you want. Solution 3. Cold boot your TV. Press and hold the power button on your remote for 5 to 10 seconds. This force shuts down your TV. Now unplug your Google TV from the power source and plug it back on. Then press the power button again to turn it on. After restarting, test your sound again. This usually fixes temporary sound bugs. Solution 4. Reset audio settings. From your home menu, open Settings bar again. Go to Device Preferences or System. Depending on your OS version, scroll down and select Sound. Now go to the very bottom. Choose Reset to Default. Now confirm your choice. After resetting, it's a good idea to restart your Google TV. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix volume issues on your Google TV, from developer tweaks to audio resets. If this helped you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Google TV fixes and tips. Thanks for watching.